Lemons, the zesty citrus fruit. Lemons are one of the most versatile and refreshing fruits. Known for their bright yellow color and tangy, acidic flavor, lemons are a staple in kitchens around the world. They're used to add flavor to foods, beverages, and even in cleaning products due to their natural antibacterial properties. Did you know that lemons are not just tasty but also packed with health benefits? Scientific name: Citrus limon. Family: Rutaceae. Native to Asia, specifically India, China, and Malaysia. Grown in USA, California and Florida, Mexico, Spain, and Italy. Types of lemons. There are a few different varieties of lemons, each with unique characteristics. 1. Eureka lemons, the most common variety with a bright yellow color and thick skin. 2. Lisbon lemons, similar to Eureka, but with a thinner skin and slightly more tart flavor. 3. Meyer lemons, a sweeter, smaller variety with a thinner skin, often used in desserts. 4. Variegated pink lemons, a unique variety with pink-tinged flesh and a slightly sweeter flavor. Nutritional value of lemons, per 100 g. Calories, 29 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 9.3 grams, natural energy. Fiber, 2.8 grams, supports digestion. Vitamin C, 53 mg, immunity booster. Vitamin B6, 0.1 mg, supports brain health. Potassium, 138 mg, supports heart health. Water content, 89%, keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of lemons. 1. Rich in vitamin C. Helps boost the immune system and fight off infections. 2. Detoxifies the body. Lemons help detoxify the liver and cleanse the digestive system. 3. Promotes healthy skin. The vitamin C in lemons supports collagen production for glowing skin. 4. Improves digestion. Helps relieve indigestion and bloating when consumed with warm water. 5. Supports weight loss. Low in calories and helps curb appetite, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. 6. Balances pH levels. Although acidic, lemons are alkaline forming in the body, helping to balance pH levels. Fun facts about lemons. 1. Lemons are a natural disinfectant. Their acidity kills bacteria and can clean surfaces. 2. The world's largest lemon weighed 11 pounds. 3. Lemon trees can live up to 100 years, producing fruit for decades. 4. Lemon juice has been used in ancient cultures for medicinal purposes, from fighting scurvy to treating digestive issues. 5. There are over 40 varieties of lemons grown around the world. How lemons grow. 1. Lemon trees thrive in warm, sunny climates and require well-drained soil for optimal growth. 2. They bloom in spring, producing beautiful white flowers that turn into small green fruit. 3. After 5 to 6 months, the lemons ripen and turn bright yellow, ready for harvesting. 4. Lemon trees require a lot of water but should be planted in areas with good drainage to avoid root rot. Uses of lemons. 1. Eaten fresh. Add slices of lemon to your water or salads for a burst of freshness. 2. Lemon juice. Perfect for adding tang to drinks, marinades and dressings. 3. Lemon desserts, cakes, pies, sorbets and lemon bars. 4. Lemon zest. Add zest to recipes for an extra layer of flavor. 5. Lemonade. A refreshing drink, especially during summer. 6. Lemon cleanser. A natural way to clean surfaces or freshen the air. Conclusion. Lemons are packed with health benefits and are incredibly versatile. Whether you're squeezing them into a drink, adding zest to a dish, or using them for cleaning, these zesty fruits will always bring a burst of freshness to your day.